Today we are going to start up with chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is Elizabeth. Let us read the chapter first and then I will explain you and you will write the explanation. Sylvie, salut Marie, qu'est-ce que tu portes pour la soirée? Marie, salut Sylvie, je porte une robe avec une belle écharpe. Et toi? Sylvie, moi aussi, je terminé mon travail. After this, the last one, the dialogue of Sylvie is there. Je choisis une jupe rouge avec une chemise blanche. J'aime la couleur rouge. Mal. Super. D'abord, je finis mes devoirs et puis je m'habille pour la soirée. Sylvie. Moi aussi, je termine mon travail. Anne-Marie. D'accord, à tout à l'heure. Hi, Marie. What are you wearing this evening? Marie. Hi Sylvie, I will wear a dress with beautiful scarf. And you? Sylvie, I select one red skirt with white top. I love red color. Marie, superb. Okay, I finish my work and then I will get ready for the evening. Sylvie, me also. I will finish my work. Marie, okay, see you soon. Now we are going to discuss the question answers of this comprehension. Répondez aux questions souvent. Question number 1. A part says, Comment s'appellent les deux filles? Who were the two girls? Les deux filles s'appelant Sylvie et Marie. Next. Quel habit choisissent-elles pour la soirée? Which clothes they have selected for the evening? Sylvie choisit une jupe rouge avec une chemise blanche. Et Marie choisit une robe avec une belle écharpe. Sylvie has selected a red skirt with a white top and Marie has selected a dress with a beautiful scarf. Now the question number 2 says you need to tell true or false. First is Marie porte une jupe. Marie wear a skirt. That is 4 because Marie wear a dress with a scarf. Sylvie choisit une jupe rouge. Sylvie selected a red skirt. Vrai. Next, les deux filles choisissent des vêtements pour la soirée. The two girls selected the clothes for the evening. Vrai. The last is Sylvie finit ses devoirs. Sylvie finished her homework. Vrai. The work given to Sylvie. She wants, before going to the party, she wants to finish the work. Page 38, vocabulary. First I'll read French words and then the English one. Avec, with. D'abord, firstly. Pour, for. Un gilet, cardigan. Un monton, coat. Un pantalon, trousers or pants. A t-shirt, t-shirt. Une chemise, shirt. Une cravate, tie. Une écharpe, scarf. Une jupe, skirt. Une robe, dress. Des chaussettes, socks. Des gants, gloves. Le travail, work. Les vêtements, clothes. Now we are going to study the group of verbs. Two types of verbs are there. One is regular and the one is irregular. Okay? Regular verbs are further divided into three parts: er ending, ir ending, and re ending. In this chapter, we are going to learn er and ir ending. Okay? Er ending we have already learned, but once again, I'm going to just uh, revise it with you. See, what are our subjects? If I am taking verb porte, porte means to wear. This is er ending. Now, what are my subjects? Je, tu, il, and elle. These are my singular subjects. Nous, vous, il, and elle. These are all my plural subjects. Now, replacing er, just forget that we have er. What is left behind? Porte, from each and every verb, we have to follow the same rule. Okay? If there is any of the verb which is ending with er, just replace er. Okay? Whatever is left behind, write it. Now, our endings with j is e, es, e, ons, ez, ent. If I am taking parler verb, parler means to speak. Now see, I am replacing er. What is left? Parle, parle, parle. Again, my endings will be same. E, es, e, ons, ez, ent. Means this rule will be followed in each and every er ending verb. This we have already done, but I was revising it once again with you. So this is our er ending regular verb. Now, if we talk about ir ending, I take the verb finir, ending with ir, that means to finish. I am just replacing r here. Okay, I am just replacing r. What is left? Fini. Now, what is the ending? Ending is SST. You have the subject SST, with J is S, Thu S, ill S. SST, double S, ONS. ONS is the same, EZ is the same, ENT is the same. Just I have added double S to it. Okay? Now, choisir verb. Again ending with IR, to choose. I am replacing R. Choisi. My leftover word is choisi. Again, what are my endings? SST, double S, ONS, double S EZ, double S ENT. So same rule I will follow in each and every IR ending regular verb. What we have to remove from ER ending verb? फर्स्ट er ending verb में से हम er remove करेंगे. Then we will write the leftover verb. Then what is the next step? To add the endings. What are the endings for er? E, es, e, ons, ez, ent. Same way, ir ending verb में से I will remove r. Leftover word we will write, and then what is the ending? S, s, t, double s, ons, double s, ez, double s, ent. Clear? Now I just give you the example. Mari dash porte une belle robe. Mari is wearing a beautiful dress. Okay. Now, what is Mari? Mari is the name of a girl.
Girl.
Girl means, what is the subject for this girl? L. With L, now this is the er ending verb. Replace er. Porte bacha. And with il and l, we just place e. So this is my answer. Now I'm talking about Mark A. Paul dash habite au cinema. Habite is to live. Habite à Lyon. Okay. Habite à Lyon. Now Mark A. Paul, er ending. What is left? Habit. And this means is, because these are both boys and they are plural, and with ills we add ent. So with the names I was telling that if there is a name of a girl, that means l. If there is a name of boy, that means ill. So whatever is the conjugation for ill and l, that we have to write. Okay. And here just see, if there are two boys or girls, whatever the name is given, then you will be adding ent if we are talking about two or more boys. Clear? Now if I am saying les garçons, I am saying les filles. Okay, les filles means girls. Filles dash manger au restaurant. The girls are eating in the restaurant. Now, les filles means else. Les filles means else. And er ending, replace er, mange, and with ils and else we place ent. So this way you have to just check what is the subject and add the endings accordingly. Clear to everyone? These are our er ending and ir ending verbs, and rest of the back exercise we are going to do in next class.